Hey guys, thanks for joining me today again. I just wanted to make another video about AI since it's blowing up. A lot of people don't know what to make YouTube videos about, or you know, how to streamline the process of coming up with ideas and topics, and how to kind of package the whole thing. And I want to show you today with AI how to crank out a lot more YouTube videos with a lot less work. But something I just wanted to show you today was that if you go to your YouTube studio and go to analytics and go to this new research tab here, and then it'll show you the top searches that your channel's um, been found for recently for search queries. There's also more down here and stuff, but if you just click here, see all, you get a list of kind of this is the main stuff, how to organize your Etsy shop. That's a good video. I can make a video about that. How to get perfect prints. What's print on demand? That's a great one. But let's just go with this top one right here and copy that. And we'll head over to ChatGPT. I'm using something called AI PRM. And if you go right here and go to extensions, manage extensions, um, here's the AI PRM for ChatGPT. You can install that and turn it on to get that working for ChatGPT. You just search up here for AI PRM, install that, and then you're good. But here we are over here, and what I searched is, well, let's just start from the top. This is your home screen. I did search for YouTube, and I'm using this one right here, YouTube SEO title, description with tags generator. You just click this, and you'd enter your title, and then I would want to add using AI. Click enter, but I've already done that right here, and it's given me um, actually, nope, that's a different one. I guess it's this one right here. Let's see. Yeah, right here. Here's the prompt, and it gives you even like beginning, middle, and ending ideas for your video. And then here's the title: AI magic revealed, transforming Etsy print on demand like never before. YouTube description, some hashtags to add, SEO hashtags, and that's kind of everything for this video. So it gives you a quick outline to be able to do that. And say you record this video, like I'm recording the video I'm making right now, right? So I'm gonna go here, and what I want to title this video is something like "How to Generate YouTube Video Ideas um, Using ChatGPT." Something like that. That's good enough for right now. That's what I'm going to make this video. So whatever this gives me is what I'm going to end up making the title and description of this video. Let's see how it works, right? Everything is just just trying out stuff. So it's giving me that. Quick tip: all of these tags right here, I can highlight them. This is way too many for YouTube, anyways, but you can highlight them, copy, and go separate by comma. Add all the tags. It should give it to you exactly. Now you can just copy there and paste into YouTube. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you how to create ideas. And if you sat around and you actually read, these things, it'll give you lots of ideas of what to make videos about. If you wanted to make a script, or if you can ask ChatGPT like this. You can just say, "Can you expand a short script for these bullet points for my video?" And at the bottom here, literally tells you word for word what to say. And you could just cut the screen recording of ChatGPT in action, your voice over. I mean, you basically can have, ChatGPT write videos for you. But just trying to give you guys some ideas of how to generate YouTube video ideas using ChatGPT. So hopefully that helps some people that are kind of feeling like a creativity block, using AI is like an awesome tool just to get like the juices flowing with ideas. Um, I am going to make this video next. It's going to be titled AI Magic Revealed, Transforming Etsy Print on Demand Like Never Before. Really using AI to streamline creating Etsy print on demand products with a program like called Ideogram. So if you want to check that video out, please subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the description below, and I'm always answering them. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Peace.